Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Maya. Today I'm going to be doing a slime video and a squishy video. I couldn't find my other squishy, so I only have one squishy to show you because I don't really buy squishies, but I try to. But I mostly make slime and buy slime, but I haven't bought any slime yet. But I'm going to start getting more squishies, and then I'm going to do a whole video on squishies when I get a lot of them. Because right now I only have two, but I can't find one. So I don't want to make this intro too long. Sorry about my hair though, it's a mess. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay. First one is this one. I know it's not a good one, but like, I mixed a whole bunch of slime. But I think it's pretty good for a slime smoothie. Yeah, there's like a whole bunch of slimes in it. So let's do some ASMR. So yeah, that's it for this one. So let's get into the next. Okay, I'm gonna just show you my squishy, which is this. Really squishy. And it's like chocolate right there. Has nose and mouth. I might show that more in the video. So now I'm on to second slime.
What y'all do? Mario, you ready?
Okay. Okay. So let's do some ASMR.
Huh?
Sorry for the noise in the background.
Hey. Where?
So yeah, sorry for the noise in the background. So yeah, let's get into another one. Okay, I kind of ruined this one because I was really bored and I didn't have nothing to do. So I pretty much just ruined the slime. Yeah. That's what I'm kind of known for, is ruining slime. I don't think it's ruining. I think like sometimes when you fidget with stuff, you make it better than it already was, but this just ruined. Just ruined. So let's do some ASMR. Yeah, and there's some in it. Yeah. I don't know, I just got bored and I was like, ooh, put some balloons in. Slime. That sounds fun. So I did it, and yeah, this is what I have. So let's get to another slime. Okay, the next one is a butter slime, which is a really pretty color. I like this. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a video too of a smoke bomb. Of a colorful smoke bomb, sorry. Sorry, I haven't been talking up lately. So let's get into another. Next is this slime. This is just a nice not bluey. Okay, like kind of tealish. So let's do some ASMR. see if we can make a squirrel. I'll get it in. That one just like kind of messed up. But yeah, like these slimes are nice. Hold on, guys. I made it. So let's do a closer look of it. Yeah, really nice slime. I think. There's another one. I'm not gonna do the ASMR with this one. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just tear a little piece out
You use
to show
like
you
this.
real closely.
What do you use?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. But I'm gonna pause again because I have to do something. Okay. I got some of my slimes together because I got this new thing to display my slimes in. It's like now when I show you guys my slimes, I can just use these so I don't keep. I have 2 butter slimes in here. And I can show 6 of my slimes off at once. And do this. I'm going to put one of these in the freezer. And for tomorrow's video, well, I'm going to make 2 videos tomorrow. We'll do guess the slime color. So I'll put a couple slimes in there. And then he'll get frozen. And then you guys have to guess the color. So this is my new slime thing that's gonna help me a lot. Yeah, you guys like my vlog, right? Well, so let's see if we can get them out now. Okay. One comes out by one. I'll just show them. Okay, back to the pink starburst one. So that one's going back in its container with some color on it from the platform I am using. So my next one was this blue butter slime. So they're coming out pretty easy, I would say. And I like these already. So now let's see which one comes out next. That's not. Okay, let's not stick them all the way down, but yeah. So next one would is this one. Okay, right there. Sorry for the noise in the background, like I said earlier. Okay, last butter slime. This is my strawberry one. Okay. And then this one. So I'm just trying to end this video. Literally right now, I'm just trying to end the video. And last is right here. I kind of was guessing this one was gonna be last. Just by guess. But yeah. So I'm gonna freeze some of them tomorrow. Or tonight, I don't know. Bye guys!